This video will focus on Legionella pneumophila, a bacterium that poses significant health risks. We will explore its nature, the disease it causes, and the environments where it thrives. Legionella is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacterium, classifying it as a gram-negative threat. Understanding its microbiological characteristics is crucial for effective control. Exposure to Legionella can lead to Legionnaires' disease, a severe form of lung infection, or pneumonia. The infection site is typically in the lungs, as seen here. The primary sources of Legionella are natural soil and aquatic systems. These environments provide the bacteria with a habitat where they can multiply. The risk is amplified in human-made water systems, often referred to as the built risk. This includes complex systems in buildings that can harbor and distribute the bacteria. Infection typically occurs through the inhalation of tiny water droplets, creating an invisible mist that carries the bacteria into the respiratory system. Certain groups are considered high-risk populations due to increased vulnerability. This includes the elderly and individuals with underlying health conditions. Effective environmental monitoring is essential for prevention. Key parameters like temperature, pH level, and disinfectant concentration must be regularly checked and maintained. Remember, maintenance is prevention. Regular inspection and upkeep of water systems by trained personnel are critical to minimizing the risk of Legionella proliferation. By adhering to safety protocols, you can master your environment. For more information, visit the resources available at hygieneFoodSafety.org.